Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have bounced back today, closing in positive. A small bounce was expected, a retest of this channel on the down, which is sloping upwards at the lower end. A small retest is expected where the resistance would be around 5950 and 6000 levels. The momentum indicator is still on the sell side, so the strategy should be to sell on rise. This small downward sloping channel on the hourly charts has broken on the upside, so I'll be expecting this positive momentum to continue for some time. A small consolidation or a small bounce till 5950 or 6000 levels is possible. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts is on the buy side, so overall whenever there is a negative close on the daily charts, that will be an opportunity to sell again, because the daily momentum indicator is on the sell side and hourly momentum indicator is on the buy side. Bank Nifty again, even this index has bounced a little till the 40 hourly moving average, and I think the Bank Nifty would take resistance around these levels, and I'll be expecting the momentum indicator to give a sell signal right away with resistance around 40 hourly moving average. Support should be around 12,390 and 12,100. Resistance would be around 12,500 and 12,600. Jindal Steel looks negative to me. A triangular pattern has broken on the downside, forming lower top, low bottom. The momentum indicator on the daily charts is on the sell side. So the support should be around 380 and 365. 365 would be our short-term targets, short to medium-term targets, and resistance should be around 403 and 415. The second stock is again State Bank of India. This upward sloping trend line has broken on the downside. A small consolidation is just going on right now below this trend line, so I'll be expecting this small consolidation to break on the downside for a target of 2000 in the short term. The momentum indicator is still on the sell side, so the strategy should be to sell on rise. Support should be around 2260 and 2000. Resistance would be around 2342 and 2415. Overall friends, a small bounce is expected, but as soon as we get a daily negative close in next coming 1 or 2 trading sessions, that will be an opportunity to sell again, because the daily momentum indicator is on the sell side. Thank you so much.